Greetings, esteemed citizens. I urge vigilance against the dissemination of misinformation and unsubstantiated rumors. Certain imperialist factions may attempt to manipulate public opinion through deceptive narratives. It is crucial to remember that these entities historically viewed our people as subservient. Therefore, maintain your awareness and foster unity, love, and peace. Africa must reclaim its rightful position on the global stage. The endeavors of Ibrahim Traoré are commendable, and we, the Jamaican people, offer our unwavering support for his mission. Let no foreign propaganda dilute the truth in we heart. Dem seek fi divide and conquer, but we stand strong in unity, rooted in die rich soil of our shared heritage. Remember Marcus Garvey's words, "Up you mighty race, you can accomplish what you will." Africa Rising benefits us all, for Jamaica is intrinsically linked to DI motherland. Let us examine DI claims made by these imperialist forces with a critical eye. Question their motives, scrutinize their evidence. Don't be swayed by empty promises and fear-mongering tactics. We have seen this game before, and we know the devastating consequences of falling prey to their deception. Ibrahim Traoré's vision resonates deeply with the spirit of Pan-Africanism. He embodies the resilience and determination of our people. His commitment to self-determination and progress is an inspiration to us all. We, as Jamaicans, understand Dai's struggle for liberation, and we stand shoulder to shoulder with him in this noble pursuit. We offer not only words of encouragement, but also tangible support, sharing our knowledge and resources to help him achieve his goals. Let us show the world that Africa's time has come and that Jamaica will be right there, supporting her every step of the way. Forward ever, backward never. Remember the lessons of our past. We have endured centuries of exploitation and oppression. The scars of slavery and colonialism run deep in our collective memory, but we have also shown the world the power of resistance, the strength of our spirit, and the beauty of our culture. We have overcome unimaginable obstacles, and we have emerged stronger and more resilient than ever before. Now, as Africa rises, we must be wise and discerning. We must not allow ourselves to be manipulated by those who seek to undermine our progress. We must protect our sovereignty and defend our right to self-determination. We must build a future where our children can thrive and where our people can prosper. And this is where Ibrahim Traoré shines. His vision is not just a dream, it is a practical roadmap to achieving these goals. His commitment to education, economic empowerment, and social justice aligns perfectly with the aspirations of the Jamaican people. We see in him a leader who is not afraid to challenge the status quo, a visionary who is dedicated to uplifting his people, and a true patriot who is committed to building a better future for Africa. Therefore, let us reject the lies and distortions of the imperialist forces. Let us embrace the truth and stand in solidarity with Ibrahim Traoré. Let us work together to build a future where Africa and Jamaica can stand tall and proud on the global stage. Let us show the world the true meaning of Pan-Africanism, the power of unity, and the unwavering spirit of our people. Let the drum beat loud and the rhythm resonate through the hearts of every Jamaican. Make them hear we voice, clear and strong, declaring we unwavering support for Ibrahim Traoré and the rising of Africa. Bless up. We moving forward together toward a brighter tomorrow. One love, one Africa.